What if I told you that earning R2,500 a month through a brokerage model is the same as having R500,000 in the bank earning interest? Sounds unbelievable, but it is true. I use a powerful hybrid brokerage model that helps ordinary South Africans build recurring income, like asset-based income, without selling, stockpiling products, or managing teams. Hi, my name is Lynette Badenhorst, and I help entrepreneurs, professionals, and everyone who wants to earn a recurring income so that they can live a debt-free, stress-free life and can start working on their bucket lists. Following a simple track, 3 customers, then 2 each month, I created a R2,500 per month income in 6 months. That's R30,000 per year added to my household income without clocking in anywhere else. To get to that kind of return through interest alone, I'd need to invest R500,000, but I've done it using my phone, my voice, and the system. This is not MLM, not sales. It's a smart way to build a real financial asset. I'm an independent wealth engineer using the DuPont system, and I help others to do the same. Want to see how it works? Comment freedom or visit go.lynettebadenhorst.com/blueprint to get my free guide. Residual income is real and it's waiting for you. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye for now.